everybody, we're gonna teach you some severe weather facts. So the first fact is what is the wait, Omer, you're gonna be asking the question. Okay. What is severe weather? You tell me. Okay. What is severe weather? Severe weather is dangerous and severe. Which means or there's dangerous and severe, which means it is bad. Severe weather is actually dangerous. Yes. It's going to be bad. Let go of my bed. Let go of my bed. Get out of my room.
Why do you always do typing?
You do all of them.
Why do you type? Why don't you play games and stuff?
Here. There's tornado, hurricane, what else? Thunderstorms.
Oh yeah.
And you read this, okay? What is severe weather? Severe weather is dangerous and severe which
Weather.
what
Severe weather are there.
There is tornado, hurricane, thunderstorms, floods. Yeah, floods. It's oh,
Yeah.
monsoon. It's bad.
And,
what types
what's
of
it
severe
called?
weathers are there?
Tsunami?
There is tornadoes, thunder, thunderstorms, and floods, and thunderstorms, floods, and monsters, monsoons.
Okay, that's all.
Tsunami. Is there any backspace? Yeah, there's backspace right there. Ella, stop getting on my desk.
Yeah, Ella.
Exactly.
Stop getting on the desk.
What should be the next one? What? What should be the next question? Oh, what is? No. Oh, what is the monsoon? Not a lot of people know what a monsoon is. Wait, why do you always study? What is a monsoon?
Monsoon. What's a monsoon?
What is a monsoon?
Relax, it's dangerous.
No, what's actually?
Relax, it's
What's
dangerous.
actually?
A
Monsoon is a
You learn, I read this.
is kind of a flood. What? How does it get?
Because you press caps lock.
A
What happens?
What happens?
Flood.
What happens if you
But-
press save? Much. Mama. Pets. Pets. Come on. Read it. What? Wait. Here. What is a monsoon? A monsoon is a kind of a flood, but much
Much higher and more dangerous.
And more dangerous. Okay. So what else? So, ask my next question. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna show them a picture of a monster.
Why do you do it? It's kind of weird.
Stop with the 1, 2, 3. Something
One, two,
went
one,
wrong,
two, three,
people.
Oh, there's an ice cream mountain.
Hey, look over there, people. Creepy pair of underwear.
We're fighting.
I'm drawing. George
How about we
Washington.
fight with this?
What?
Oh, perfect. Why are you just bang on the wall?
Underwear.
Why does she just bang on the wall?
Wait, ask the question. Alright. Where do monsoons happen?
I don't read it yet.
What is that word? The L one?
Why do you
It
do
says
that?
India. There. And there. Months. Now I'll draw what's a monster? Come on, get off one. I'll draw all the stuff we did. What's it called? Severe weather. Wait, right? Oh, come on. That's right. It's not. Severe weather. Now we
Literally.
Oh, it's good if we're connected. Come on, Omer, get down.
I was hiding.
No, it's not. I'm doing all the work right now. I'm drawing the pictures that we did. And right. Severe weather.
That's so weird.
What? It's severe weather.
Well, why do you draw a person with this?
It's George Washington.
Dies.
Wait, there is a what? Oh. There is a Wow, he's dead. Wait, what? What? Wait, I read with this. Is this my left hand? Yes. People say that everyone has different lefties and righties. This is a lefty, this is a righty. The trick is, this is an L, this is not an L. It's like a backwards L. Like an upside down. It makes, look, it makes, look. Blue, red, white. Why does it say blue, red, white? I don't care because I want to pull someone's out. Everybody get down, or else I won't upload this video to you. Okay, I don't want either. So, this is part 1 of the severe weather facts, and probably next week I'm gonna make part 2. And part 2. And this is Don Cohen. And I'm on top of the bed.